on YouTube.
Yeah, put something out.
That is the C10 body, right?
Yep.
This one?
Yeah, but they're not saying what it is because
Right.
they don't have a
License for
right.
it.
They're not licensed.
I even like this.
I love them little cars.
Yeah.
That's the jackhammer.
Yes, sir.
Jackhammer look
That
good.
suckers move quick too. For what size they are, they move quick. I don't know about these ones. I ain't had none of them, but I know what that size do.
But them Drometers get down. I
Okay,
know that
yeah.
one get down.
Yeah, that's the ECT.
Yeah, he get down. But look, this what I got a deal on today. And I the one told him to get it.
Yeah, this thing amazing too.
But he
because
went
it flips back over.
and sold his, and he should have let me buy it.
Yeah, that thing amazing.
They sold all their boats after they bought them boats.
Once I get one, everybody get one again.
Yeah.
Hey, but check this
You the
out,
one
though.
made them get them though.
Yeah, because I was the one talking about Twin Miss Geico.
Yeah.
Man, this black Corvette. This the what's this car, bro?
Yeah, let me pull it off for you.
Yeah.
That's the new Forte.
Forte 3.0.
Yeah.
Is that
Brand
the
new.
brushless one or the brushless?
This is the brushed. It only come in brushed. They
because
not
that comes with the body. The ones without the body is brushless.
right.
Okay.
Yeah, they won't give you no body with the brushless.
That don't make any sense though.
That's backwards.
Right. But it's
It's
got some
value.
heavy.
They playing in the value, I guess.
Got some weight too.
And it's longer. What they did was they extended this.
Okay.
This car is longer from the front.
That's dope.
It's not longer from the rear. The rear is the same chassis,
Right.
but from here up,
Dope.
the bulkhead up.
Man, that thing amazing.
Ain't
man.
that a trip?
I like the black
They
body
just
and
extended the
red body.
bulkhead. They put that
What's surprising is
long
it got a
drive
little bit of
shaft,
weight.
and they put a support in there too.
It's a metal drive shaft?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a hardened steel one.
They did that thing though.
Yeah.
I like it.
I ain't not
Body.
so enthused.
So is that the light kit module down here?
Yeah, it's all set up for lights, but they have not put out a kit for it.
Damn. But the lights that on there, they come on and shit, right?
No,
They don't come on?
no, there's no lights in it.
What you mean?
No, he put some. Okay, he
that
put
one
them.
for the
Yeah, he
thing?
put them in there.
Hey, could I see your lights on here?
Nick,
Nick, we can turn it on so I can see your lights?
come turn it on for him, Nick.
This body's still here. Hey, man, I'm surprised ain't nobody get out this body yet, man.
I can't believe they haven't grabbed that body.
That thing amazing. What's
That was Nick and Kevin painted that body.
Okay, that's so
They was experimenting with a straw.
nice granite body. That's dope, too.
You know how to get that effect on that body, right?
That's
Blowing
perfect.
paint. We always doing that.
You got the planes too?
We ain't getting
You
nothing.
ain't got no planes?
I don't fly.
Oh, you don't like them? I want to do the helicopter though.
I ain't no good.
You ain't got the
Yeah, we got
Kraken?
the helicopters right here.
Nah, y'all need that Kraken. Y'all need
I've
that.
never learned how to fly.
Me neither.
My dad was in the Air Force, and he
definitely
would
wanna
bring
try
home
that.
these little helicopters, and he would fly them all over the house.
Dang.
All when I was a kid, man. But it was kind of off limits to me, so
'Cause
I
it-
never got interested in them.
'cause
he
it's
didn't want
expensive.
this one. He had a gas one.
New smart technology in this one. So I
He
might,
wouldn't let us touch it.
for the 329, might have to grab that someday.
But looky here, these just came in.
Yep, there you go. Warbird. All right, let me check out the light. Oh, he looking good. Yes, sir. My brother done put a light kit on here, man. Y'all have to check it out. Is that one of the ones with the turn signal light?
I haven't programmed it to do that
Okay.
yet, but yeah, it comes with the Y harnesses so I can make it turn. The headlights come on during throttle.
Yeah, super dope.
Oh, the headlights come on during the throttle as well?
No, I just put in channel 3, so it
Okay.
on all the time.
Okay, okay.
My thing about this, it has the motor set up back there. That thing is wicked, man. Traxxas really, they do good with their aesthetics, bro.
Oh yeah, dude.
That's what they good at. It's like this boat here. How they put all the seats in it. And one of the boats, they had all the characters in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some guys
Right.
in it. I'm gonna put some dudes in it.
This boat here is actually the first boat that made me want a boat because of this color. I promise on everything. When I first seen this on the
Remember
first,
we painted the people?
yeah,
That boat is the one with the dudes in it.
right.
That's the
But I thought
River Jet.
Right, but I thought on one of the official boats it had people, or maybe they were just extra
They
seats.
was just extra.
Okay,
Yeah.
this thing is super incredible, guys. Get your front side.
Look at the inside.
Super clean. This color right here, I would put on a real car. Wrap a real car with it. Imagine you had 2 twin motors on this thing.
Oh yeah.
Yes, Lord. But this thing is
too
fast though.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's already fast because Jap got one. Is that
crazy.
an M41?
Yeah, this the M41.
M41, my brother.
Yeah.
Got that M41 on deck. Let's get it.
This is the best discontinued boat that Horizon Hobby ever put out.
Because he gonna flip back over.
Yeah, he come right back up.
Yes, sir.
I had him submerged for about 4 or 5 minutes.
Dang.
It stayed underwater. It was running underwater.
Dang, that's crazy.
And then it finally popped up because of the pool noodles inside of it.
Right.
It was full of water, but it was still running.
Dang. All right, so this the gray infraction. This is my first time seeing this one.
That's my favorite color.
How much these run?
Same thing as that.
This comes with the second servo here in the back, guys, for your braking. That's a nice little system down there.
549.
549? That's good.
649.
Is it 649?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's 649. Oh man, that's dope too.
It's the 6-wheeler.
Hold on, that, what is this? A theft thing? Okay.
Look at this car. I'm gonna unbox
Super
this
dope.
a little bit for you so you can see this. I thought this was pretty neat.
That was nice.
This thing got a case.
And it's a 6x6?
Yeah.
Wow.
And it's a tight fit case on it.
Ooh. Super dope.
So it come all set up and pretty.
Nice.
Look at this.
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Yeah. What scale is that? 1/18
I think it's 18.
scale?
Yeah, 18 Atlas 6x6.
Thing is dope. Rubber tire in the rear. I'm quite sure you can use this. Nice plastic body.
I thought that was so neat how they put it in a really nice case.
Let's check out the bottom. Look just like the 110 scales and 1/8 scales, man.
Yeah, it
This
look
thing
like the
is
real
super
deal.
dope. Real deal.
Yeah.
I want, man, they need to make this as a
A
remote.
big 10 scale car.
Right.
They do have it.
So your remote comes with 2
it is
pieces.
right here.
Yeah, I was checking that out. Matter of fact,
GT.
this is the 10 scale, guys. This is super dope.
He is
But
fantastic.
it ain't a 6x6.
Yeah.
I do like the way that body come up. It's
Yeah.
always made it easier.
Look at all that metal.
All that metal down there. Super dope.
Yeah, he is nice. Real
Look at
plush
that.
tires.
That axle.
Yeah.
Oh my
It's
God.
all metal axles on it.
Shit. And he got some weight.
Yeah.
Dope.
Yeah, they
So
built
that's
them
brushed
pretty
too
good.
though.
Yes, all brushed.
It's all good. And then people gonna do nothing but change the
Yeah, I'm gonna
systems
turn it to
anyway.
brushless anyway.
Long as the price is not the same as
Outrageous,
right,
yeah.
then we be fine with it.
These are some new boats we brought in
I see
because
them.
we were having trouble getting them. We got them from Rage,
Ray,
and
that's tight.
this is a really good boat. That boat is real
Super
fast.
cat.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
This the Black Marlin is real fast too.
Yes, sir. I did see that one before a while back.
Yep, he's really fast.
And what about the blackjack? How people loving it?
Okay,
Anybody getting the blackjack yet?
one person bought it.
One person got the blackjack.
This is
the
the same boat
Velocity.
as the Pro Boat Recoil,
But
but it's in a lighter body.
that's dope. Dope.
Yep.
As long as the prices are good, man. Shoot, it's great.
And this is the same
Hold on, is that a BLX ESC and a Spectrum motor on a Traxxas? Man, that thing has to be wicked fast.
boat as the Blackjack,
Man, dude got a
but they're just lighter bodies.
what's his name? He got a
The 24-inch Blackjack. That's what that is.
Yeah. I had that.
I have
red
one too. I still got it. I don't never sell nothing. I keep
These
all
ones are
my
great
stuff.
too.
Yeah.
My thing is, the only reason why I get rid of my stuff is because sometimes I be needing the money.
Yeah.
But I would not get rid of none of my shit. I promise.
Yeah.
I love RC, man. That's why every time I sell one, I'm back in here.
Have to go replace it.
I got to.
Yeah, it's funny how we do that.
Right.
I sold my TRX4 and I had to come back and get another one. I could not go for it.
So are these like where's the body clipper at?
Okay, let me show you where they are.
Oh, they like the
way
other
up in there. See, that one is way up there where my thumb is?
Yeah, okay.
And this one is right up front.
There we go.
And that releases the whole body.
There we go. Nice.
2 clips inside of that.
I wonder how much the bodies are.
That body is $100.
$100.
Yep.
Ooh, so you gonna buy the brushless
Huh?
one?
Okay.
Man, I'm gonna show y'all some pictures of this thing, man. Someone made a picture of this as a 6x6. But we just came back in and got one of them. So for y'all that thought I was down, I'm back at it. What?
Oh boy.
Yeah. Don't try me.
Coming for you.
Coming for you. Don't try me. We will be there by the time Got Reviews A to Z and the whole Atlanta Misfits team come down. Yes, sir. June 26th. Make sure y'all be there or be square.
Yep.
That's the one I do want
the
right
place.
there. The 1969 Chevy Camaro.
That's what I love.
Is that the one y'all got the Summit body one? Is that the? Oh, that's a different one.
No.
There's a different one. The Losi 22S.
Right.
Y'all
He's
sold
right
that?
here. He's right here.
No, not that one. The new drag car.
Oh, the new drag Losi.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gone.
Dang.
The truck.
Yeah, no, the little car, the Camaro body one.
Oh, he gone too.
Damn.
We had a truck and a car.
Uh-oh. They do
gone.
got all the awesome remote controls, or transmitters, I should say, y'all. Haulers.
We got the affordables. We got the ones that make you cry.
There you go. All the way up to the super. Yep. I do need to get one of those flying remotes when I do come in. Yep. Which one would you? Well, you don't fly, so you don't know.
DX6 is what seems
lot of
like
people-
everybody is really buying, and
Right.
that's the go-to.
Right.
Seem like they don't have as much trouble out of the DX6 as everything else.
We got 800 kV, the 1650 kV system. Y'all need to start carrying.
we got the copperheads.
The new copperhead systems, man. Make sure y'all get down here to Hobby Town. They have it on deck. Yes, sir. What about the and they do have the old BLX system
Yes, I do.
motor right there.
I still got that 3S system.
There we go.
That old BLX 3S.
And y'all know that run like a dog.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And what about the y'all need to start carrying TP motors, bro.
Okay.
Cause there's a lot of people that
I
drag
got
racing.
those too.
That's the XLX.
Yep.
Oh, that's the new
The XL2.
All right, how much those run? About
249, 250.
Okay, so about 300. And they do got the GPS, so if y'all want to do some speed runs or just see how fast your car is going, y'all need to carry the new GPS too, brother. It's by
I have it.
the Sky RC.
Yeah, I have it.
Sky RC GPS.
I had it. It may be bought already.
Yeah, they.
I only brought one in to
fast
see
over
if
here.
it would sell. It sold, so we're gonna bring another one back.
Yeah, please do, cause I need it.
Yep, it's coming back.
Cause I can sit it on my car and go ahead without
Not
having
the
to pick it
passport.
off every time.
It's the meter that actually goes in the car.
Yeah, that's the one I want. That's the one I want.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, get down here. Yes, sir.
Because I can download the app to my phone, and we just use the app.
I do love that body on that X Max up there. Oh, that maximum performance.
That Hawaiian.
Yes, sir.
That's the Hawaiian. I believe I have one.
Yeah, they about $100 and something damn dollars.
The one behind this one is the Hawaiian.
Okay. Oh, they do got the red body one. Blazer. I meant Bronco.
Yeah, he has.
Red body Bronco and yellow body Bronco. They got like three or four colors of that, right? The Bronco?
2.
Two? Okay.
I got 2 nitros.
Man, I got 2 nights that I'm trying to get rid of for $100 right now. Shoot, I can't deal with them, man.
Me either.
I don't know how to work with it. I ain't gonna try no more.
I got a Platinum Slayer with a brand new motor on it and it won't start.
I can't do it. Can't do it. All right, so you got
on the Platinum Slayer.
right. I don't know, and I don't even know which one that one is.
Yeah, it's the platinum color. It's a shorter one, but it's got a platinum color like
Right,
the chassis.
man. Y'all got some
Now
shit
the
on.
blue anodized chassis.
Mm-hmm.
It don't have that. It's the one built like the Revo.